Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button, give us a like. That way you can be assured to see all of our new arrivals as soon as they hit the lot, just like this one here today. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of the specific unit or anything else in the lot, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SherryChrysler.com. Today we're showing you a brand new arrival, 2020 Ram 1500 3.6 liter Pentastar motor in this thing, guys. The cool thing about this 3.6 liter motor in this is it's going to have great towing capability, and it's also going to get you phenomenal fuel economy for a half-ton truck. Starting on the front, we're going to notice we do have the Sport Appearance Package. One thing you're going to get with the Sport Appearance Package is the upgraded front and rear bumper, and you're going to get them painted to match the exterior color. Another thing you're going to notice in the front bumper is the little circles in the center and on the sides. That is for your, it's a monitoring system when you're parking into them tight spots. It's definitely going to beep and let you know when you're getting too close to the object in front of you. Very nice chrome wheels. That's a 20-inch chrome wheel. Factory Ram step-up bars running along the side on both sides, the front and the rear. And also you got a little extra step here in the back, and that's going to help you get into the bed if you need to grab something out of that bed. Just like on the front, you do have the upgraded rear bumper like we were talking about, and also the monitoring system that runs along the bottom there. You're also going to have a trailer tow group with a 4 and 7-pin wiring hookup. And I did not mention up front, but this is a 4-wheel drive vehicle, so no matter where you're located or where you need to go with this truck, it can get you there. Mud, snow, whatever it may be, sand, definitely a nice feature to have. This vehicle also comes with a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, and also extended coverage on the powertrain. This vehicle does come with power side mirrors, power folding side mirrors, power windows, and power locks. Power seat with a 4-way power lumbar. Power foot controls so you can raise and lower them foot pedals if you'd like. It also does have a rubber floor mat. That is a Ram rubber floor mat from the manufacturer. Automatic overhead headlighting. On the left-hand side of the steering, we have all the controls for your center cluster located right here in the center in between your RPM gauge, your miles per hour gauge. All the functions of the truck while it's running are going to be controlled through here. So if you want to know any information about the truck, you can see everything through here controlled by these 4 buttons right here. You can also program your phone directly into this vehicle by programming your phone into this vehicle. When your phone rings, hit the green button. You carry on the conversation through your speaker system. No more reaching for your phone. Cruise control located on the right, and then on the back of the steering wheel on the left and right side, you are going to notice that it does have hand controls, and what those hand controls are for is to operate your radio. Increase the volume, decrease the volume, change the radio station. AM, FM, Sirius XM radio on this vehicle. It also does come with a free subscription to Sirius XM radio when purchasing this vehicle brand new. Dual climate controls, so you can set the passenger and the driver on two different temperatures if you like. Also a bunch of built-in apps. This is all touchscreen radio. Heated seats for your front driver and passenger with a high, medium, and low setting, and also a heated steering wheel. All your radio controls are located on these 2 outside buttons. Second option for climate controls is located with these 3 center buttons right here, these circles, and also a second option for your heated seat and heated steering wheel located with these buttons right here. A large center console, as you can see, and it does have a nice leather armrest located right here. Small cubby hole up top, and then a large one underneath that. As far as this piece right here, this piece does slide back, so you have a small cubby hole right here, 2 cup holders. It slides back for an additional storage with an AC plug down there. Universal garage door openers located right above the steering wheel. You can program up to 3 garage doors into this vehicle. As far as the back seat, very large, spacious back seat, and just like the front, we do have the upgraded floor mat throughout this. AC plug in the back. It also has USB plugs in the back also. Nice cloth seat just like the front. Child safety hooks on this rear bench also, so you can safely and securely tether in a car seat. Guys, this vehicle is located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button, give us a like. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of this vehicle or anything else we have on our lot, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SherryChrysler.com.